Hi everyone, it's Roland Tech Virtual Assistant. I am Roland based in the Philippines. Today we are going to be having another amazing, interesting topic regarding the previous question in my previous videos that says, have you considered tech as a career? It was a question, right? Well, the reason I'm making this video is because some of my audience reached out to me after watching that previous video and they told me that they want to begin or start their career in the tech industry. How are they going to go about it and what can they do to start a career in the tech industry? Now, if you are that person that asked this question and you are opportune to be watching this video, today might just be your lucky day because we are going to be learning briefly and understanding how we can start a career in the tech industry. But first, we need to know what is technology before starting your career in the tech industry. So we need to know the primary root of technology. When we say tech is also known as the full meaning is technology. So what is technology? Technology is the application of scientific knowledge, skills, and methods to create tools, machine, and systems that solve human problem and improve daily life. That is what our technology is all about. So it's important for us to know what is our technology, and the primary core of it is it improves daily life and solve human problems. So we use it to make our life easier every day. Okay, now we understand and we know the definition of technology. So we now know the side we belong to when we are taking tech as a career. Now, I also want us to understand that in the tech industry, you can be able to choose any career of your choice, or rather, that your niche is attached to, that you are more familiar in doing with your skills, that you can be able to operate on in the tech industry, that will make it much easier for you to navigate more or other skills in the tech industry. For me, I prefer and I choose a virtual assistant as a career in the tech industry. And that is the reason why I talk more of virtual assistant as a career. And I want you all to understand that it affects me positively to talk about virtual assistant because that is my area of specialization. Okay. So I also want you to know that you can be able to choose any career in the tech industry, even if you don't want to choose virtual assistant as a career. You can go for engineering technology and a lot of technology. You can do your research and you will know the category that you fall on the tech that you want to choose or that you want to go for. So it is very important that we have our primary skills, which is research skill, to be able to navigate or find or know what we can be able to do under the tech industry. So, but before I will go further on this teaching, I want us to also understand that we need two major skills, I mean soft skills, that we need to improve while we are choosing a career in the tech industry. Okay, when you want to choose a career in the tech industry, I advise that you practically need to have two soft major skills to kick off your career in the tech industry. And what are the names of these two soft skills? For me, I can also call it an hidden skill, or rather, I can call it inner skill. But a lot of people know this as soft skill. So it's better or it's advisable that you can also call it a soft skill. So these particular soft skills that I'm talking about is no other than your critical thinking skills and also your problem solving skills. You see, these two particular skills, you need it to be able to kick off your tech career. In any career you are taking in the tech industry, you need these two particular skills because these skills is not a technical skills, it's a skills that is within you. So you alone can know how to generate these skills in you, and it is very important that you have these skills to be able to kick up your career in the tech industry. So if you don't know about this is where you are going to start from. Choosing a career in the tech industry, you need to have these two major skills first. This is the first skill that you will need to have, which is your critical thinking skills and your problem solving skills. Because when you are in the tech world, you are definitely going to be solving problem for people in the internet space. So you need that problem solving skills, and also you need a critical thinking skills as well. And also you need a research skill. So these three skills is better that you have it, but majorly these two skills that I make mention of, which is your critical thinking skills and your problem solving skills, is very, very important because your research skills, that is just your primary skills. So that is normal for you to have because without your research skill, your critical thinking and your problem solving skills will not be complete. Okay, so you need these skills to be able to move forward and also to start a career or to kick off a career in the tech industry. So it is very, very important that we know about this before taking a career in the tech industry. Now, how does your critical thinking skills works? Your critical thinking skills works when you have difficulties in handling tasks for a potential client. And when you are finding a solution on that situation, that is when you need to use your research key. Using your research key is to find a solution on that situation. And after getting that solution with your research key, that is when your problem solving skill will comes up to be able to execute that project properly. And that is how these three skills will work out for you. These three skills are very, very important. But two major skills in it are your soft skill, which is your inner skills, which happens to be your critical thinking skills and your problem solving skills. So if you are going into the tech industry or you are choosing the tech as a career, you need these very particular two skills to start or to kick off your career before you can navigate more skills along the way while you are navigating more on the tech industry. And I hope you understand this teaching very well. So if you find this very interesting and helpful, feel free to give it a like, subscribe, and follow for more. You can as well share this video to reach more audience. See you in the next video.